I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select a trigger SiteOrigin. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form and fill it out to retrieve the SiteOrigin. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select actions. Pabbly. Give here the webhook link. So visit Pabbly dashboard. Create workflow. Give a name. Create. Search a trigger webhook. Copy the webhook URL and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Pabbly site and choose Actions. Airtable. Choose Action Event. Create record. Connect. Add new connection. Give here token. So click on Developer Hub. Create token. Give here a token name. Add scopes. Add a base. Create token. Copy the token and paste it here. Save. Map the respective fields. Save. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to Airtable site and here you can see the data came successfully in Airtable via Pabbly. Thanks for watching.